Namecheap private email setup tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up Namecheap website and log into your account. After that, on the left hand side panel, you will be able to find the option of private email. Simply click on it, and this way you would be able to see the option of manage on the right hand side on that particular screen. Just simply click on manage. After that, when you scroll down, you will be able to find the option of create mailbox. Simply click on it. After that, you will have to provide the details like your name, your password, and also the storage. Just select it accordingly. After that, create the mailbox. After that, just click on the option of edit storage right over there, and this way you would be able to see a list of different options. Select the option of open web mail, and this way the new window will appear over there. Just simply provide the name and username and password, and you would be able to log in using your private email. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.